In this video, I'm going to share what I have found to be the easiest side hustle for beginners. If you're looking for a way to make more money faster, this side hustle is by far the easiest. I work it myself. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. And before we get going, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week, and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. So first, just what is a side hustle and why would you want one? Well, a side hustle is an activity you take on to make extra money. There are all kinds of side hustles. We'll go over some of them in a minute, and I'll even reveal the exact one I recommend. It's by far the easiest. Today, more than ever, people are struggling with rising costs and being able to enjoy the lifestyle they want. A recent figure I saw said that over 45% of Americans are side hustlers, and that number is even higher for younger workers. And it's not just about creating lifestyle. Many people rely on the extra income from a side hustle just to cover their bills or pad their savings. Even those with jobs or careers that you once thought led to financial freedom are looking at side hustles too. Because there are so many side hustle options, choosing the best one can be challenging. In some side hustles, you trade a talent or skill for money. Examples include things like tutoring, blogging, online freelancing, or maybe teaching sailing or skiing. These can be great side hustles, but only for those who have a special talent or skill to market and the skill to market it. But the thing you have to understand is that you're basically trading your time for dollars. There is no leverage. To make more money, you need to spend more time. In fact, this is one of the big challenges in most side hustles. You end up just trading time for dollars. Some other side hustles you may be more familiar with are things like delivering food and groceries. DoorDash, Instacart, and Grubhub are common names. Or ride sharing like Uber and Lyft. Or maybe performing other services like dog walking, babysitting, lawn care, or snow removal. And these side hustles too, you are simply trading your time for money. Again, there is no leverage. If you need to make more money, you have to commit more time. And that is a big challenge, is there are only so many hours in a week. To meet your money goals, you may end up with a schedule that's almost like taking on another full-time job. I don't know about you, but I sure don't want that. And an additional challenge with the ride-sharing side hustles is safety. As crazy as the world is these days, I'm not sure how many people would really be comfortable having strangers in their car. And then one more side hustle you may not be familiar with, but one that I really like, is what's called affiliate marketing. This is where you sell someone else's product or service and earn a commission. It's neat, it's clean, it's simple. I've been an affiliate marketer for years. You will find that there are affiliate offers available for almost everything you can think of. It's a real popular business model. But before you jump in, you need to spend some time finding the right affiliate offer to promote. There are many to choose from. Some can be excellent, but unfortunately, too many of the affiliate opportunities and their products are just not that good. In fact, I'm always amazed at some of the stuff I see on some of the affiliate networks like JVZoo and Warrior Plus. Many are things I just don't want my name tied to. I'll bet you won't either. One of the big challenges to be aware of in affiliate marketing is that many affiliate products pay small one-time commissions. You will have to sell a lot of stuff every day to make serious money that way. It may take forever to get into enough profit to meet your goals. Another challenge to be aware of is that many of what are referred to as high-ticket affiliate offers cost a lot of money to get started. Unless you are already an experienced online marketer with a large email list to market to, they can be really tough. Imagine the disappointment of spending more money than you make. Trust me, it happens all the time. Here's my suggestion. Find an affiliate offer that uses leverage to make more use of your time, requires a minimal outlay of cash to get started, pays out substantial commissions, and has recurring income too. Recurring income is money that will come in month after month from a sale you make one time. It's what really sets you free. It's how I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. I make a nice check each month before I even do any new business. And then lastly, you'll need a system to sell the affiliate marketing product. And as part of that system, you'll need excellent training and support. So let me tell you about my recommendation. It is the easiest side hustle for beginners and experienced marketers too. It meets all of the requirements I just outlined. It is the side hustle I do. It pays out big commissions on a weekly basis and has recurring income too. I like getting paid by direct deposit. It's all done online and based on a high demand product with real value. People keep it long term and pay for it month after month. That's what creates the recurring income. Thanks to a simple, high-converting automated marketing system, you can work this side hustle from wherever you want to be. I even do a lot of it while I'm out sailing. No previous experience is needed, as all of the techie stuff is done for you. There are no phone calls to make, no other marketing tools to buy. Excellent training and support is provided. They even show new people how to make money fast by committing just 30 minutes per day. And when we team up, you will also get my one-on-one personal mentoring too. Nothing will be left to chance. And what I like best is this side hustle does not require a big investment. To learn more, go to my website, makemorefaster.com, or click the link in the description. Go ahead and do it now. We'll talk soon.